Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Git Bash is installed and your EC2 instance exists with a downloaded PEM key. First, open Git Bash and move the PEM into a safe folder, then run chmod 400 mykey PEM to tighten permissions so SSH will accept it. You must also confirm the correct AMI username, Ec2 user for Amazon Linux, Ubuntu for Ubuntu, Bitnami for Bitnami images, because using the wrong user will block login. Once done, you're ready to look up the instance public IP and continue. Now you construct and run the SSH command in Git Bash. Navigate to the directory with your PEM and type sshi/mykey, PEM Ec2 user at 54, 12, 34, 56, replacing user and IP with your values. If you need more insight, add V for verbose output. It prints negotiation details which helps diagnose failures. If your key is in a different folder, supply the full path. Make sure Git Bash uses LF line endings. CRLF can interfere. Once authentication succeeds, you'll see the EC2 shell prompt. To finish, streamline future logins by creating // SSH/config entries, host my Ec2 hostname 54, 12, 34, 56, user Ec2 user identity file /path/mykey PEM. This lets you just run SSH my Ec2. Also, ensure your EC2 security group allows SSH from your current IP. Update rules if needed, but avoid leaving 0, 0, 0, 0/0 open. If connection fails, verify the PEM permissions, correct username, instance public IP, and security group rules. One quick troubleshooting tip: run SSHV to see where authentication stops and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.